my lovely kids, it's time for our English class, and today we will recapitulate phonics sounds of alphabets. Now look at this first letter. This is A, and the sound of letter A is A. A, apple. A, arrow. A, ant. A, alligator. A, eggs. A, anchor. A, airplane. Now this is a letter B, and the sound of B is B. B, ball. B, butterfly. B, balloons. B, bee. And this is a letter C, and the sound of letter C is K. K, cat. K, carrot. K, car. K, cake. K, camel. K, cow. Now this is our. Now we will do practice of letter D, and the sound of letter D is D. D, dog. D, dick. D, dad. D, den. D, dip. D, drip. D, dot. D, duck. So these all are the picture of da sounds. And then this is a letter E, and the sound of letter E is A. A, egg. A, elephant. A, eggplant. A, envelope. Our next letter is F, and the sound of letter F is F. F, F, fish. F, frog. F, flower. F, fence. And then this is a letter G, and the sound of letter G is G. G, gas. G, glass. G, gate. G, grasshopper. G, grass. Now this is a letter H, and the sound of H is H. H, hat. H, hat. H, helicopter. H, hand. H, hamburger. H, house. And next is letter I, and the sound of letter I is E. E, ice. E, ice cream. E, island. E, igloo. This is a letter J, and the sound of J is J. J, jug. J, jelly. J, jelly beans. J, jellyfish. This is a letter K, and the sound of K is K. K, key. K, kangaroo. K, kite. K, cattle. K, knife. K, king. So next we have letter L, and the sound of letter L is L. L, leaf. L, lion. L, lamp. And L, ladybug.